form of the arithmetic progression. See, let's see. The a plus d, comma, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, a plus 4d. So here we have a 5 terms, a1, a2, a3, a4, a5. So 5 terms. So if we got an values a equals to 3 and d equals to 5, right? Now let's do the answer. Now a equals to 5, first one we got a1, and a2 equals to a plus d equals to, so a plus d means 3 plus 5. So we got here 8, and a3 equals to a plus 2d equals to, so here 3 is, a is 3 and d is 5. So 2 5 are 10, 13. Sorry. 13, and a4 equals to a plus 3d equals to 18, and a5 equals to a plus 4d equals to, so a is 3 and d is 5, and 4 5 are 20, 23. So this is the answer. I think you have understood. Sorry friends. 4 5 are 20. So D is 5, so 4 5 are 23. 23. So here we got the values. The A1 is 5, A2 is 8, A3 is 13, A4 is 18, and A5 is 23. So what is our AP is? Our AP is 5, and here we can kept in general form, so on. So on also there in this general form. So this is an infinity AP. 8, 13, 18, 23, and so on. So this is the AP of infinity. So, and I will tell you how to find the D value. Okay, so what is D? The D is the nothing but common difference. In previous one I have told you the sum A1, A2, and what are the values? A equals to 3 and D equals to 5, right? So if you want to find the D value means, in before we have 3 plus 5 equals to 8 and 3 plus 5 into 3 equals to 15 we have got. So what we should do means, to get 5, see here friends, we should, for D we should do A2 minus A3 we should do, right? When you do A2 minus A3, you can get the D value. See here, A2 is 8 and A3 is 15. So what we get? 7. So 7 is our D value. So like that we can do, and we can find the common difference of the value. Okay friends, now I will tell you the another one. Okay, I will tell you the another topic. Okay friends, now I will tell you the another sum. If we have the question, find the number of terms and find the nth term. So if we have the AP 5, 8, 11, 14, 17 and so on to A12, and they told us to find the A12 value. So we have the values here. A equals to 5, D equals to 3, and N equals to 12. So this is the formula, and N equals to 12. Okay, because why he kept N equals to 12 means we should find the A12 value. So that's why. Now let's do the sum. A is 5, sorry friends, AN we should get. A 12. Because A we should not write anything, and N we can write 12. Equals to 5 plus 12 minus 1, 3. Now let's do 12 minus 1, 11. 5 plus 11 into 3. Okay, and now now 11 into 3 we got 33. So 5 plus 33 equals to 38. So A12 term equals to 38. So this is the sum how we do the out with this formula, A plus into n minus 1 into D. So like that we should do carefully when we are doing one. Once again I will tell you this sum. Please see, A12 equals to 5 plus 12 minus 1 into 3 we have got, and equals to 5 plus 11 into 3. Why we got here 11 means 12 minus 1 we have done. So that's why we got here 11. Now 11 into 3 we will get 33. So 5 plus 33 is 38. So this is the answer of A12. Now we should write in the AP like this. See here. AP. Here see, same we should write 8, 11, 14, 17 and so on. At A12 what we have? 38. Right? So this is the AP and we got the A12 term is 38. So this is the arithmetic progression, two types of methods to solve the problems. Okay friends, and please subscribe my channel and like and share this to your friends and classmates, and please support us, and please tell how is the class in the comment, and until then bye.